Shri Krishna. I am Bhavani from Rishi Sakhi Rasoi. Now today I am going to present a very tasty and very nice delicacy which we South Indians we normally make it at home on some special occasions, and this is called Sujiyan Kuri Paniyara. Now Sujiyan is the word which we use it for an item where we always soak the jaggery coated coconut in some batter or other and then deep fry it. But today I want to avoid the deep frying, and so I am doing it in the Kuri Paniyaram style. So I will show you the process when I do it. First I will show you how I am going to make the filling. So I have just heated the kadai and I am going to now fry the cashews. In this, the measurement I will tell you. I have taken this much coconut worth this much in this cup, and then for that 3/4 of this I have taken the jaggery, which is powdered very finely. Okay. Now I will be showing you the process how I am making the filling. Now these are very finely cut cashews. I have added some ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee in this, and then I will be just frying the cashews. And I won't fry it very Now once I fry the cashews, I will be adding I have added the coconut. Now to this coconut, just you have to saute it for just half a minute, and then we can add the jaggery. And this I will show you when you have to remove it from the gas. That is the main important thing in this sujiyan. Now the filling is very important because it should be neither watery and not very hard, because we will be putting it in the batter and then I will be doing it as Kuri Paniyaram. So this filling is the main process in this cooking. So I will just show you the consistency when I have to remove this, and I will show you how I make this coconut jaggery balls. And then while doing the Kuri Paniyaram, I will show you how I am going to put this into the Paniyaram. That process also I will show you. So now I will get back to you once this is ready. I have prepared the filling. The filling should be of this consistency. Once you make the ball, it should fall like this. Now I have not ground the coconut. Some people they make the puran after grinding it in the blender because this should be crunchy. When I take it out of Kuri Paniyaram, this purnam, this filling will be crunchy if you put it like this. So now I have made balls of this jaggery balls, and then now I will be showing you how I am going to make this Paniyaram. Just to give me a minute. Now I have kept this Paniyaram pan on the gas. I have just smeared it with oil, and I have just added 1 teaspoon of oil in all this hollow this thing. And now first I will pour. Now this is nothing but the idli batter, but the straight away the idli batter cannot be poured because that will take a lot of oil, and sometimes it will even split. And so I have added some 3 tablespoons of rice flour to this. Now I will show you how I am going to make the Paniyaram. Now in this I will be putting this in this, and then this with this. So this will not take more oil. The next one. Depending on the size of the pan, you can add more batter, or you can make a big jaggery balls, depending on that. Thus, this has to be for normal sujiyan, we just prepare the urad dalka batter and we roll it in that and then fry it. And so this I have taken only the idli batter. As I told you, I have just added 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Now after putting in this, I have just covered this with a little batter. And bear in mind, all this we have to fry only on medium flame, not high flame. After I remove this, this has to be removed. It's golden brown in color. Then I'll get back to you after my plating. This is kuri paniyaram, suji and kuri paniyaram. And I told you, I just showed the process how I am doing it. Now in the filling, I have added coconut and jaggery along with some cashews and elaichi powder. I have made into small balls and then have done like this as in the form of kuri paniyaram. Now this is a very nice delicacy. You can have it even as a tea time snack, and or in between a snack even in the morning around 11:30. Yeah, at that time when you have a cup of tea, at that time you can have it. And if you like this recipe of mine, please get back to me. You try and then get back to me with your expert comments, which I would really appreciate. And please subscribe, like and share. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Jai Sai Ram.